Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find a reliable and good seller on Dhgate. If you are looking for a trustworthy seller to ensure smooth transactions, I have got you covered. When shopping on Dhgate, the key to find a great buyer is to see their experience or see their reviews. How do you know you are buying from the right person? For that, you have to look for a good overall rating. First, first of all, check the seller's overall rating. This is one of the most important factors. For example, if we look at the product, uh, let's take example of this one. Just look at this product. Right now, he already sold uh, uh, six units, and here you can say if you go into his review, he has a product feature, buyer protection, and he has given the proper description and the proper he looks very good dealer. And now you have to check the seller reviews. For example, I don't think so he has any review, so I don't think so this is a good product. So let's go to this products. Now here you can see this product has reviews over. He has at least 5 star, 10,000 reviews of 5 star, so it looks legit. You can read also. So this is the trick. Examine the seller's profile, and now you have to examine the profile's seller's profile. Uh, you can you can see important details like buyer protection, product feature, and even the seller transaction. And focus on positive feedback. For example, this seller has 99% positive feedback with 10,000 orders. So uh, this this dealer looks very fair. So this is how you can find a good seller on DHgate. Just keep these tips in my mind, in your mind. A good rating, high positive feedback, clear communication, and detailed production listing. With this approach, you will be able to find some great seller for free hustle shopping experience. If this video finds you very helpful, then like this video. Thanks for watching.